Essen City Lights is an annual event. We visited it this year for the first time on the 10th of November, but it was too late to take a ride on Wilhelm. My husband was crazy about a ride on Wilhelm. 6 days later he got what he wanted. Perhaps it may be interesting for other videographers how we made this video, or for people who never made a video with a digital camera. We used two Fujifilm XT cameras. One was mounted to a tripod, and on this cam we used an external Fujifilm XT-20 microphone. We made some shots from the ground with the Fujifilm 18 by 135 mm LM lens and the Fujifilm 16 by 50 mm lens. The Fujifilm 18 by 135 lens was used for detail shots such as the drive motors. We made all wide-angle shots with a Canon EOS 10 by 22 mm lens and a Fringer Adapter at 10 mm focal length. Karl paid €5 for the ride, and after that he stood in the line for the next ride. In front of my husband was a young couple, next to get in a passenger car. When the Ferris wheel stops, 40 years younger than we are, but their faces got pale and gray as they saw how often Wilhelm spins for a ride. As the usher wanted to show the couple into a free passenger car, the yellow bellies eloped. The usher pushed my husband and the next two pleasure seekers into a passenger car. So my husband ended up with two sisters in a gondola, the younger with a tiger's heart and no fear of height. This little girl can't get enough and would ride the Ferris wheel for hours if mother would pay the fun.